'Tis the season for STEM. Red Cedar and Hilton and Island Elementary Schools have transformed their STEM labs into Winter Wonderlands filled with hands-on holiday-themed challenges.
It's really awesome experience of Beaufort County that across schools we can collaborate and create an engaging winter STEM environment for our children.
I thought it'd be fun to showcase that both of us at two different schools are just trying to make an experience for the kids as exciting, and just turning the room into something like a Winter Wonderland makes the kids ready and eager to learn.
Here at Red Cedar's North Pole STEM Lab, students are busy designing, building, and problem-solving their way through festive holiday STEM adventures.
We were using Tinkercad to see what our house would look like, which is a 3D printing app. And then our overall project was we were building little elf houses, and we started painting them, and we started looking at the designs we could make.
I was making a reindeer that had to fly. I put this cardboard and I cut a circle on, and it had like a little hole. So I put that on, and you add like this invisible string, and then you put your reindeer on, and then the reindeer's supposed to fly.
The materials I used a toilet paper to make like the body of it, and I used pom-poms to make the nose. I used little pieces of wood to make the antlers.
Every class is creating its own project, and together they'll form a school-wide holiday village.
Each grade level is doing a piece that's integral to that, from pre-K making snowmen all the way to 5th grade 3D printing the village houses.
Over at Hilton and Island Elementary School, students are getting into the festive fun too, designing gingerbread houses, wiring holiday lights, building reindeer obstacle courses, and more.
On my paper for the start, they have to go through the tunnel and they have to run through the golf tees. For the finish, I'm gonna do another tube that they run through.
We are making closed circuits where we have to use tinfoil and tape, and you have to put the wires underneath the tinfoil.
So the challenging part about it is that sometimes like you're gonna get it, but then it like turns off and you won't find the spot. So you have to put like tinfoil on it, and you have to have like a little piece sticking out so you can put the battery on it to work.
These holiday STEM activities are giving students a fun way to think, make, and design.
I would try to think of what are they going to remember when they grow up and what excites them to learn, and just being able to transform a room into something just brings that excitement alive, and they're able to be in a winter snow globe but also be doing STEAM things at the same time.
There's a lot of different engineering processes, a lot of different scientific methods here, and we want the kids to understand them in a way that's meaningful to them. So creating experiences like this helps them connect to it and then actually learn it in a tangible way.
For the entire month of December, students at both schools have been exploring and creating in their winter STEM labs. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
Like, I know the point. There it is.